You.
Dude, are you gonna be the
You.
Turn now.
Please. Make horror mode. We need chapter 2. You guys, let's
Yes,
go
on
to
the
bed.
bed.
Dude, you were the
You.
best.
Story mode is on. Story mode is on.
Yep, told you.
Oh, I'm not good at
It's gonna blow.
Guys, follow me. I have the badge. Follow me.
Blueberry
I have
Janitor,
the
you're a
badge.
beacon, you bum.
This is not XE.
You bum.
A testing zone.
here.
FD's testing zone
Blueberry,
shot.
I bet you're Blueberry, you bum.
I'm out of here.
This is not
Blueberry,
XE
get off.
testing zone.
Dude.
Oh no, he has the lava again. He has the lava again.
I'm sorry, is that Furnace? I'm sorry, is that guy Furnace?
Michael.
Yeah,
it
it is. He wants fire at us.
You don't look too happy.
Blueberry,
I'm gonna die. I gotta go the opposite way here. You don't see me. Let's go. I definitely did not.
Don't
Why, guys?
Yeah, dude, we should definitely trust this guy.
Wait, how do we get a badge for doing this?
Shooting the laser.
Do we get a badge for doing this?
I don't know. I have no clue, dude. This is my first time.
Trust me. I know how to do this. I have the badge.
Going on a killing spree.
I have the badge, guys. I have the badge.
Bro,
Follow.
This ain't no XD ordinary zone. This ain't no XD ordinary
It turned you back.
Move your big back out the way! Move your big back out the way!
You have to get the toy.
No blueberry,
Music is absolutely dude, this music is awesome! Yeah?
Blueberry! Cranberry!
Follow me. Purple follow. Just follow.
I can't right now. Yay! Help! Somebody help!
No! Dude, this rock music is
Go! Move your big back out the way! You big back!